Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make your text bold in your LinkedIn post, right? So here if I just write something, hello, how are you, right? And how you can bold this. So first of all you have to select it. Now even though if you select this word, there is no option to bold this word. But right, I can show you another method. You can just go to Google Doc or somewhere, or you can just basically here you can just open your notepad and you can just paste it up and you can just bold the sentence, right? And you can just copy everything and you can paste it here, right? But still it's not working. So this is the post section. But if I try to post here in my if I try to post here as a newsletter, then might it work? As you can see here, I'm into my article section, and if I just try to bold here, it's work perfectly fine. So here, for example, I want to bold you, right? So let me just write it in capital here, right? And let me select it, and here you can see there's a bold feature. So let me bold it here, and it's work perfectly fine. Even though I can just make it italic, and whatever changes you can do in your WordPad, you can also do it here, right? So this is really easy. By the way, it's only work in article section, or if you're trying to write a newsletter in LinkedIn, it will not work in your post section. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.